Hey guys, Gaming Garza here. So today we're gonna be playing Flag Wars and trying to get the minigun. So I already have 65,000, so let's just buy it now and test it out. So before we get into the video, I want to tell you about Robux.one. In my last video, I told you about the website. They released a new promo code, and guess what? It's Gaming Garson. So there's no space, no capital, and there's no accent under the C. So I'll just write in the chat over here. So it'll be like this. Okay, so just write this in Robux.one website. Link will be in the description. So then you get Robux. So yeah, each time I get the promo code, I'll give it to you guys. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so let's buy the minigun. I just hit 65,000. So yeah, I have to choose Team Blue. See, I have 65,000, so let's just buy it fast. I have everything now if I buy this, like in the whole game, except the things with Robux. So let's buy it. Ooh, I bought it. Okay. Let's test it out. Okay. Oh my god, it's so good. It's actually OP, I feel. Oh my god. I run so slow. That's the biggest problem. I'm just gonna run like sprint. Oh my god, this is OP. Oh shoot. I died. Okay. Oh, our team is winning. Okay. Oh my god, Minigun is OP. What, the red took the flag? Oh, our flag is there. Oh no, we dropped the flag. Please pick it up. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's thrash him with the minigun. Oh my god. What? Does he have the minigun or did he have the rifle? Okay, I don't know, but then with the minigun I was too slow, so okay. This is cool. Oh my god, reload fast please. Oh my god, no. No. I'm gonna guard this. Die. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna use this. Yeah! This is OP! Stand there. Just. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. That was dumb. But still, the minigun is so good. I already have 1,000. Wow, I got this just because it's like the double cash weekend. Oh my god. Where's the okay, the flag is full that side. Okay. No. He had the rifle. If we could sprint. Okay, wait, let me try sprint. Oh my god, no way. Sprinting is even slower than walking with a knife. I mean, sword. Okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna go like this. Oh my god. Wow, both came from different sides and killed me. Oh, he died. Okay. Let this reload and then I'll change to my sword. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I don't see anybody. So I'm just gonna go here. And then wait for many... Okay, wait. Many people came. Okay, I died. But it's actually OP. But then you cannot run fast with it. Why am I shooting? Okay, wait. There's so many people now. I'm just gonna keep shooting. Nope. Okay. Oh my. Okay, that was bad. Okay, that was bad. Still, there's only one disadvantage for this, which is like walking so slow. Sprint is like, there's no difference. Yeah, but then it has 350. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so it has 350 bullets, which is good. Okay, I see somebody, so... Okay, that was dumb. This is so slow. Okay, wait, there's nobody. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh, the sprint is over. I thought I was holding my minigun. Okay. Yeah, that was good. The minigun is actually too good. Yeah, at last I have everything in the whole game. Yeah, which is the best part. Yeah. So that's it for today. And please use the code to get Robux. And I told you that it's not a scam. So you just keep trying. Like now you have to withdraw it after getting like 10 Robux. So just try getting codes or doing offers so that you can redeem your Robux. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Comment down below if you want to have a 1v1 with me, but I'll use my minigun. Okay, so if you have a minigun, comment down below. So, okay, take care. Bye bye.